Hi there everyone, welcome to the ukestuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of Cowboys and Angels by Dustin Lynch. This was a special request and I wanted to make sure that I could make this one happen. Now what we'll do in this video is first of all, we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA, soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele, and then we'll take a look at the chords you need for baritone ukulele. Now as a reminder, you can follow along on the bottom of the screen and use that scrub bar to jump to parts of the video that matter to you. Also, if you like the chords that you see in the song, you can find the chord chart or ukulele tabs at ukestuff.info. Uketabs is a collaborator with this channel. And if you want to support the work here, there's a few things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and if you want to make a donation, you can always do so at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. Now, before we begin with the chords, just want to mention that I did change the key of the song to the key of C that works better on standard ukulele. So let's take a look at the chords you need for GCEA, soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele in the key of C. I will be using this instrument. This is my Enya Camp ukulele. I've had it for a few years. It's made of HPL, which is sort of like countertop material. All right, the first chord you need is the A minor chord. Then you need the F chord. Then you need the G chord, the C chord, and the A minor 7 chord, no fingers at all. And those are the chords you need to play Cowboys and Angels on GCEA, soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at baritone. All right, for baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Flight NUB 310 baritone ukulele. Just as a note, it comes with GCEA tuning, so if you want to tune it like a baritone, you'll have to buy other strings and tune it differently. All right, so let's begin with the first chord. The first chord is the A minor chord. Then you'll need the F chord. Now, the F chord is a bar chord, and it might seem more difficult than it really is. That's not to say that it's easy, but it's also not as hard as it might seem. Take your first finger, lay it across strings 1 and 2 right above that metal fret, and then pull against the fretboard. Hold your ukulele securely with your right arm. If you're left-handed, think of it the other way. But pull against that fretboard like you're going to launch something off of it, and that, if you're right above that middle fret, should give you a clear sound on those top 2 strings, strings 1 and 2. Then you can add your thumb for a little bit of support, and then add the other fingers. And that's your F chord. The next chord you'll need is the G chord. Then you'll need the C chord. And then you'll need the A minor 7. So you'll play that A minor chord again, but then add the pinky to the first string 3rd fret. And that's the A minor 7 chord. And those are the chords you need to play Cowboys and Angels on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming for the song. And just to remind you, there is no right answer here. There was no ukulele in the original version of this song. So you have the freedom to do what works for you. I make these videos mainly to answer the question, what's the strumming pattern? And to give people that can't figure out a pattern on their own that they want to use an idea of what they can do. But ultimately, if what you're doing fits with the beat and also matches the style of the song, you're fine. Now, you could try to do some finger picking. If you listen to the original version, there is finger picking going on the guitar. You can try picking the strings in different patterns. And you can do whatever works for you there. I usually start off by picking strings 4, 2, and 1, and just picking other strings and filling in. But that's if you want to try finger picking. However, if you'd like to strum through this, what I'd suggest doing is playing a down strum for every time you change a chord, or that a chord actually lasts 2 beats. So it's either one, it's either every time you change, or if a chord lasts 2 beats, and you sort of have to watch the indicator of where that happens. But like at the beginning of the song, you get so what I'm doing is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Or if it's only a 2-beat thing, down, down, up. So a full 2 beats, dun, da, 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 is going to get down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just a one beat is going to get down, down, up, like that. So again, from the beginning, you get this. And you sort of, again, have to follow the indicator to know which one gets 2 full beats or which one gets 1. Remember, a beat here is going like that. All right, here it comes again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, and go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And really, that pattern is going to work really well for the whole song if you don't want to try. And if you want to pick, then you can throw anything else that you want to do in there. All right, so with those chords earlier in the video and with that idea of a strumming pattern of the down, down, up, down, up, down, up, or down, down, up, or finger picking, whatever you want to do with it, that's all you need to do to be successful on Cowboys and Angels by Dustin Lynch. All right, thanks so much for joining me with this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back again soon with some more uke stuff for you.